Most students in Nepal wait until they finish their grade 12 to apply abroad, but I didn't, and that changed everything. While others were stressing over their finals, I was already holding my US student visa, and today I will be showing you guys step-by-step method how you can get your student visa approved before even completing your grade 12 and be always a step ahead from other students. First, let's kill the biggest myth in Nepal. You don't always need the grade 12 final results to apply abroad, while some universities in US accept your projected score. Yes, projected score that many students don't know. And about the English proficiency test, you don't always need the IELTS. Step 1. Get your projected score transcripts. Go to your college and request a projected score transcripts. This transcript is made based on your internal exams and other evaluations. I am showing you my projected score so that you will have an idea and you can show to your college. Most colleges don't know about the projected score, so you have to explain them, and that projected score will make you not wait for the grade 12 final result. Okay, now we have done the most important part, that was creating our transcript. We already have our transcript ready, that is projected score transcript. Now we'll do an English proficiency test. Many students go for IELTS SAT. Yeah, that is good, but there is always an easy alternative, that is Duolingo. I did Duolingo. It costed me around like 12,000 Nepalese rupees, and most universities in US also accept Duolingo, like Saginaw Valley State University, where I did, and I got my US visa accepted. Duolingo takes about 3 to 5 days to get your certificate ready. After you get that, now you have everything: projected score and certificate for the English proficiency test. That's where most students lack. Now you have these two things while you are studying in grade 12. Now we move to the step 3, where we collect all the common documents. Like, first is password. You make your password ready. Second is financial statement. You need a financial statement document created by your parents. Third, you need a letter of recommendation from your teachers. Usually universities require 2, if not 1. Now you have all the documents ready, including the 2 documents that I've told you earlier in this video. Now we research the universities that accept projected scores and Duolingo, and then we send all these documents to the university, pay the application fee, and try to get an acceptance letter. Once you get your acceptance letter, you need to accept your scholarship in the acceptance letter. Once you do that, you will get your I-20, and after you get your I-20, you need to fill up a form that is called DS-160 form, which will open the road to book the appointments. Appointment is for visa interview appointment in US Embassy. Now if you got your date for your interview, prepare for your interview, and you'll go to your US Embassy, give your interview. They will not ask you your grade 12 final transcript, and that day will decide whether you get your visa accepted or not. Prepare for your interview. Go to the US Embassy, give your interview, and get your visa accepted before you even complete your grade 12 like I did. Alright, let me break this down whole journey into simple roadmap you can follow step by step. Number 1. Get projected score transcript. Request from your school on official letterhead. Number 2. English proficiency. Take Duolingo, IELTS, TOEFL, depending on your university requirements. Number 3. Apply to universities. Make your passport ready. Prepare letter of recommendations, collect your grade 11 and 10 mark sheets, write your SOP, statement of purpose, get your financial document ready, double check each university's requirements, submit applications before deadline. Number 4. Receive admission and I-20. Your acceptance plus I-20 is your key to visa. Number 5. Visa preparation. Pay service fee, fill DS-160 form, organize documents. Number 6. Visa interview. Be confident, show projected scores, English test, financials, and graduation plan. Number 7. Visa approval. Start your journey before you even complete grade 12. Don't wait for the right time, instead create it. That's how I got my US visa accepted, and I'm pretty sure you'll get too. Now, after you get your visa accepted, I'm pretty sure you'd want to watch my next video where I talk about international student expenses in US and give them tips and tricks to make it cheaper. So stay tuned guys, please hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss my upcoming videos. Stay tuned guys so you don't get your